Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to remove the translucent background of a subject, especially clothing. Let's open our image. Then duplicate your main image. Select your main image and add a solid color layer. Then select your duplicated layer, then go to Select and choose Subject. Use the Quick Selection tool to select those parts that are not selected, but make sure the Add to Selection is selected. Next, go to Select and choose Select and Mask. In your Select and Mask properties, make sure Color Aware is selected. Then use your Refine Edge Brush tool to slightly erase those solid colors. Then click OK once done. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.